Welcome to the final chapter in crafting your vest. Let's transform these pieces into your finished vest. Here's how to machine stitch the shoulders, plus hand sewing the sides for a perfect fit, ensuring your vest looks sleek and stylish. Now let's sew the shoulders together on the knitting machine. Start with the ironed back shoulder right side facing you. Pick up the red loop with your transfer needle and hook it. Remove the contrast yarn. Then flip the front shoulder inside out. Hook the red loop onto the back shoulder's needle. Each hook now holds 2 loops. Adjust the needle to position one loop behind the latch and the other in front. Knit the loops together into a single row. Bind off using the gate hook method and remove from the machine. Here's how the shoulder seams look after sewing. Repeat the same steps on the other side. No more demonstrations here. Once the shoulder seams are sewn, sew the yarn ends into the side seams with a needle. After securing the yarn, stitch the side edges together. Thread a needle and pick up the end stitch at the fabric's bottom. Inside the first stitch on both sides, pick the thread to complete the sewing. Keep sewing this way up to the underarm. If the thread's too short, secure it inside the piece and cut. Use a new thread, knot it, sew inside, secure and bring to front. Continue sewing up to the underarm. Here's how it looks after sewing. Repeat the same steps on the other side. And now the butterfly vest is complete. After these lessons, you've now learned all the skills from knitting to stitching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to subscribe. Stay tuned for more knitting tutorials. See you next time.